the murky burn. It has been pissing down for 2 days, on and off. Right, I can smell the garlic. Where's the garlic, Max? So I've come down a right steep bit, now going up a right steep bit. He's properly switched on to something. I've still not spotted any garlic. But he is properly on something. He's pulling me up this hill. Is him sniffing deer? Oh look, another path. Oh look, the leads caught. He still wants to chase something. So it wasn't a path, it's just a viewpoint. Right, pause it if you want to read it all. I'm leaving, I'm leaving. Quite nice down here. I don't eat duck poo. Let's go and look at Douglas Water. It's a lovely looking river. I bet it's full of trout and salmon. Wide angle. That's a proper lovely river. That'd be so good for fly fishing. So I've seen signs at the ponds, no fishing, by order or something. But I wonder if you can actually get permits for this stretch of river. Beautiful. Yeah, hang on, Max. There's all the birdies nesting in the bank. Is it martins? Anyway. He's switched on. It's grouse or pheasant sometimes fly up over and over the fence. And then actually, I don't know if it was this field, 2 birds dove over the fence when he went in. And then I saw a nest with eggs and he was just having a sniff, so I pulled him away. Nearly had eggs for breakfast. Should we go for a walk? Come on, dude. Yeah, we still haven't gone home for milk and biscuits. Oh, excuse me. One last one, okay? One last one, okay? Oh no, it's gonna go in the bushes. Not quite. Find it. Yeah. Yeah. Go find him. Go find him. Clever boy. Max's girlfriend, Pipper. Max, don't be too much of a sexy Max.
Nice.
Good boy, that's enough. You've said hello. You play. Chase and play. Maybe he'd be less randy if I took his balls off. Right. You had a good play, didn't you, with Sexy Pepper? Eh? You got a bit sexy though, didn't you? It's nice. It's calm. It's due to be really windy again later, I think. But at least it's not bloody cold. I haven't got anything. Max, you got one piece of carrot there, look. Piece of carrot. Good boy. Stealth mode. It's the other side of the fence, Max. Where's the rabbits? Where's the rabbits? Didn't even see any this morning. Not round there, not here. They saw us coming, Max. Might be because we walked the top way and they might have seen us. Don't you want water? Do you just want a piece of duck first? So we've just had a right good play with his girlfriend and a right kick about on here with the ball. Piece of duck. His third play with his girlfriend. Should get more on video, eh? But it was weird. We're in a different field. The top fields have got cows in now. And when they came into the field, Mrs. and dog Pipper just laid down Storky style as we were approaching. So when he first saw her, he was like, "Ooh, Pipper," and then she just laid down. And then he was looking weird, I think just because she was laid down Stork style. And then she charged him, and he was like wondering what to do. His hackles came up, but then when she was in his face, it was all good. You had a really good play, didn't you? There's no more duck. Are you going to have any water? Are you going to have any water? Did you eat lots of wet grass? Slimy ball.